Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to have a look at the Mozart speaker from Gravastar. First and foremost, I'd like to thank Gravastar for sending this out for review, and I just want to quickly say that this is not a paid review, and yeah, I'm really excited to check this out. This is going to be an incredible product, and I'm really glad to be one of the first to review this Bluetooth speaker. Now, this is going to be the brand new product, the Mozart speaker that Gravastar have just released. And if you do not know who Gravastar is basically a big company that release amazing, unique earbuds, but also amazing, incredible Bluetooth speakers. I'll drop a link down in the description where you guys can check them out, but this is the brand new released from Gravastar, and this is called the Mozart speaker. When it comes to the price of the Mozart speaker, it costs approximately $90, which is way more affordable compared to their other lineup. And just to compare the pricing of the other speakers from Gravastar, you can see that the others cost approximately above 120 to even 200 bucks depending on the model that you're going to choose. Shipping took about 2 weeks and a half to arrive, which is decently pretty quick depending on your location. But yeah, this is going to be the packaging. As you can see, it has a pretty good big box that feels really premium. And just on the side right here, we've got the Mozart, the Gravastar, the brand, and here is just a quick specification of the product. At the bottom of the box, we are going to have a more in-depth specification of the product. So the Mozart speaker is going to have Bluetooth 5.0. The battery capacity is going to be 2000 milliamp per hour. This is going to last approximately 10 hours per charge at 65% volume. So if you're going to listen to approximately 40%, this could last more than 10 hours. The speaker is going to weigh 550 grams, so it does have a pretty nice weight to it. Overall, I've got to say the design of the packaging does feel really good. Yeah, let's check this out for 90 bucks. Let's see how that is going to be. So far, the presentation of the box is really good, but let's see how the speaker is going to look, how it's going to feel, and how it's going to sound. So far we can see that inside the packaging we've got the brand once again, the Mozart. And the first thing we'll see in the box is going to be the Bluetooth speaker. It has like a bear design, as you can see, and I've got to say it does have a very unique design compared to the other Bluetooth speakers. Many Bluetooth speakers on the market does have a really similar square, rectangle, or circular design, but Gravastar, they are doing something really different to their products. Other than that, you're gonna see that you're gonna have a little package inside right here. You're gonna have a user manual that shows you how to use the product and how to set it up. Another thing in the box is going to be the charging cable, which is going to be USB-C to USB-A. The cable itself does feel really high quality. Finally, in the box we do have this little accessory, which you're gonna put it on top of the speaker. Here is a close-up look of the Mozart speaker from Gravastar, and I've got to say this product is very unique compared to the other products in their lineup. As you can see, it does have a very great design. Some people might find this speaker to look very cute, other people might find this speaker to look very cool. The build quality does feel pretty decently good. The weight actually does feel pretty heavy. It's not too heavy, and also it's not pretty light. The build quality itself is actually made of plastic. I don't think there's any metal right here, maybe in the interior of the speaker, but from the outside shell of the speaker is actually made probably 100% on plastic. And here is the bottom of the speaker, just some information of the product, of the brand, the company. But I've got to say, it does look once again very unique. One thing about the left eye is that this is actually an LED. It does have some RGB right here, but unfortunately it does only have one color. In the back of the speaker, we do have 4 buttons right here, such as the power on and off button. All you have to do is simply press a couple of seconds to turn it on or turn it off. We do have a Bluetooth pairing button right here, but the moment you turn the speaker on, it's going to automatically go into pairing mode, unless if you want to switch to a secondary device. All you have to do is press this once. So let's turn on the speaker. All you have to do is simply tap on this button for like a second.
Ready to pair.
And there we go.
Bluetooth connected.
It tells you that it's ready to pair and that Bluetooth is connected. So right now it's currently connected to my iPad. As you can see, we do have this little RGB right here. We also have some lights right here on the side that tells you that it is connected. If it's in pairing mode, that is actually going to blink. So since this is connected to my iPad, but I actually want to connect to my phone, what I'm going to do right now is simply tap the Bluetooth button once.
Bluetooth disconnected, ready to pair.
And now it is going to be ready to pair. As you can see, we've got the Gravastar Mozart speaker. Tap here to connect.
Bluetooth connected.
And as you can see, they are fully connected to my phone. Very easy, it takes a couple of seconds. Very stable, I've got to say, and it works perfectly fine on iOS, Android, Windows computer. It also works great on MacBook. So it doesn't matter which device you have, as long as your device is Bluetooth compatible, this is going to work perfectly fine. So just to quickly show you guys how to turn off the LED right here if you do not want to use it, all you have to do is simply tap the minus and the plus volume button at the same time. Press it once, and as you can see, it's turned off. Press it once again to turn it back on. If you're on iOS, you will be able to see the battery percentage right here on the widget that tells you approximately how full the battery is before you have to charge. So right now I'm going to play some music on YouTube and see how good the audio is going to sound. So as you can see, the Bluetooth speaker do sound actually pretty good. You know, for $90 we all expect the Bluetooth speaker to be very good, you know, especially at this price point. But considering that this is Gravastar, you're paying not only for the experience, for the uniqueness and the design of the Bluetooth speaker, but also for the sound quality. You know, I've got to say, I do hear the bass coming from the speaker. It does sound really good. It's very strong. It does have some pretty good high volume. It's only one speaker on the side, and it still sounds very good, really crispy, you know, when it comes to the audio. So if you tap it once, it continues playing. If you tap it once again, it is going to pause. And if you want to reduce the volume, all you have to do is play the music. And then as you can see, this reduces the volume, and to increase the volume, all you have to do is press this. So it's very easy, very simple to use. Works perfectly fine, not only on your iOS device, but also, let's say, on an Android phone, on a tablet, on Windows computer. As long as you have a device that is Bluetooth compatible, this is going to work. So yeah, once again, this is the Mozart speaker from Gravastar. I've got to say, it does have a really nice and extremely unique design. So once again, I'll have all the links down in the description where you guys can check this out. I want to thank Gravastar once again for sending this out for review. I'm glad to be one of the first to review this actual Bluetooth speaker, and I've got to say, it is indeed an incredible product. So yeah, once again, check them out. Thank you so much for watching, and if you guys got any questions, comment below. I'll respond to them. I'll keep using this product, and I'll see how good this is going to be in the long term. So yeah, thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you guys very soon. Peace out.
Let it go.